Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how I do a hot pink marble nail design on my structure manicure. And for the color, I'm gonna go ahead and use Passion by OPI. It's a very like natural pink, kind of like sheer. It's very natural. It's like a natural pink color, and it actually looks really nice. I love it. This is a go-to color when it comes down to like when I want to show off how like long and natural my nails are. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a coat of this, and I'm gonna go ahead and also clean the sides. If I do get any gel near the cuticle area, I will go ahead and just grab my orange wood stick. Now I would use either the pointy side or the flat side, depending whichever works best. But I'll just go ahead and just remove any excess gel that I have. And after curing, I'm gonna go ahead and do another coat. Now with the marble design, I'm gonna go ahead and basically sandwich the colors, meaning I'm gonna go ahead and do either one or two coats of the color, then I'll do like the design, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the same color and add another coat, then I'll go ahead add another bit of the design, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the color again. So this is just gonna give some dimension on the nail, so it's gonna look like it's encapsulated, just because I'm adding colors, I'm stacking them over each other and over the design, so it's gonna make it look like it's encapsulated or it's inside of the nail, if that makes sense. For marble, I just really like this way of doing it. I like putting dimension on my marble, so I'll go ahead and just add a coat, add some gold flakes or some gold lines, some pink lines, and then I'll go ahead with the color again, do another coat, and then it's just gonna look like it's inside the nail, if that makes sense. So meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and just polish the rest of the nails. I just wanted to say, again, I'm so sorry about the angle. I am working on a better angle to place my device so that I could record better and you guys could see it way better. I'm also working on getting better with the voiceover. I'm like fairly new with this. I used to do it back then, but I'm back now doing more videos. And yeah, and I'm also gonna be uploading every other day, so probably like a Monday, skip a day, and then on Wednesday I'll upload again. I'm still trying to figure this all out. I am actually going to be doing giveaways every month, just to give thanks to the new people that have been watching my videos, or people that comment, like my videos. And I'm also going to be doing it on Instagram. So if you want to follow me, it is at Nails Enchanted Academy. I just created the page as well. I do have my nail page at Nails Enchanted, and that's the page where I take clients, and I post more about nails. But I will be posting more content and stuff, and I would really appreciate it if you would check it out, give it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and if there's anything that you would want to request to watch, you can go ahead and request it down in the comment section below. Now once the polish is cured, I'm not removing the inhibition layer, which is the tacky layer that's left on top. I'm just gonna go ahead and get my marble by Sherry, or Cherry, I believe, and I'm getting some alcohol that I have in a little damping dish. I'm also gonna get my brush and just get with a little bit of alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and just dab it onto the pink, and it'll slowly start to spread, and it'll create that marble effect. On some nails, I will be covering the whole entire nail with that hot pink, just because I like a hot pink look. But you could go ahead and just do it as you're liking. The marble, you could go crazy with it, create different patterns and stuff. But I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on all the nails. And again, this is the Marble Tint by Sherry, or Cherry. I think I'm pronouncing that wrong, I'm not sure. But I did purchase these at Skyline Beauty, and you could go ahead and go on their website or purchase it. They also do have an Instagram page, you could look them up. It's at Skyline Beauty. And yeah, so this is a technique I'm doing for this one, I usually do get some gel polish. I'll add some gel polish, I'll get some alcohol, and I'll start um, dabbing it with the brush the same way I'm doing it now. But these are just alcohol inks, so it'll work faster and it's kind of easier. You just put some on there and just start going crazy with the brush, and it'll create that little marble design. Now, the more you play with it, you can layer these. Like I said, if you do polish over that marble, the pink that you added, you could go ahead and add another coat of polish, and then you could go ahead and do it again. So it'll give it that dimension, which is pretty cool. But however you'd like, I'm just gonna do one coat of the marble tint and just play with alcohol and see if I get those little lines and marble effect. But like I was saying earlier, I am going to be doing giveaways every month. At the end of the month, I will be starting maybe once I see that more people comment on the videos or more people are watching, just so that I can have someone to give away to. But yeah, if you do watch all the way to this part of the video, you could go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know. And yeah, so every end of the month I will be doing a little giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what I'll be giving away yet. I do have some very cool ideas of what, but yeah, so keep watching and subscribe. Maybe even turn on that notification bell so you can get notified when I do post, and you can just watch the video and comment on that one too. Now, once I did the marble, I went ahead and I added the other coat of the passion color, which is what I'm saying about stacking colors on top of designs. Now, since it is a very sheer color, you won't be able to see the color as much. It is very sheer, so you can still see the marble design. Now, after I polish all of them, I'm going to go ahead and maybe even clean them if I have anything to clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Once cured, I'm gonna go ahead and get my little gold flakes. Now these are just little flakes. Be very careful with these. They do fly away very easily. um but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just break them off by little pieces, and then I'm gonna place them, just scatter them on each nail differently. It doesn't have to be the same. And when I place it, the inhibition layer is still there, so it's still gonna be sticky, and that's gonna help the foil stick to the nail. What I also do is I do pat it down and I press it down so that it could stick well and it doesn't move around. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on all the rest of the nails. So now that I am done with that, I'm going to go ahead and get some chrome powder. This is a super nail, I believe. I think I got this one at Sally's Beauty. It's just some gold chrome powder. I'm going to go ahead and mix a little bit of that with the Koopa top coat. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and get my little striper brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just do some little lines to make it look more marble. I am going to do thick and thin lines. And you could just go ahead and just create little lines. You could either do it with the pattern that the marble lines are underneath, or you could just create new lines in different areas. Okay, so once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply another coat of the Passion Gel Polish. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and cure that, and I will also be adding the top coat. My favorite top coat is by Koopa. I'm gonna go ahead and do a coat of the top coat, and I'm gonna cure it. And as you can see the design. The camera's not doing any justice right now, but the design is really, really pretty, and you can see the marble. Make sure that when you're doing this, you do cap the free edge so that it could prevent chipping. Always make sure you cap the free edge. If not, your polish is just gonna end up chipping. And we are done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some cuticle oil. um I am gonna go ahead and use this to just put the cuticle oil around. I do have different uses for this little brush. I think it's called the lip wand or something. It's for lipstick. I got it on Amazon. But yeah, so this is the look, and this is how they turned out. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next. I will be uploading soon again, and please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.